Hello, this is Eric with ReLISTO. I'm proud to be showcasing 1236 Francisco, apartment number 4 today. Come on in. This is a Mediterranean style Santa Barbara-ish home, or apartment I should say. And again, it is spacious. There's so much room in here. Let's walk down this very wide hallway. Let's get into the living room first, and then we'll backtrack from there. So here we have lots of light, bay window. You're looking, you see the tippy top of the Golden Gate Bridge there. Now, if I looked over, if I got closer to the window, you'd actually be looking down into the garden area. There's a patio deck, there's seating. Here's the bedroom. And there's a big, giant avocado tree growing out there right now that's ready for picking. So, you figure with an avocado, every avocado $1, you could almost pay for your rent for 1 month. So those are free for you to pick. Let's look at this walk-in closet, just gigantic. Lots of shelving, tie rack, you wear ties. All these lights are on dimmers. The owner just renovated, and she went through the whole electrical system and make sure that they were all 3 prongs, all on dimmers. Here's another walk-in closet. There's so much space for storage here. It's just amazing. And there's a light in here too, which I didn't turn on. But again, it's so nice having apartments where there's lights in the closet like this one does, so you're not groping at night. Look at all the cabinets here. This would be technically the breakfast area that you could eat breakfast. You could, as a study. Again, very light filled. And here we have the kitchen. You can see all brand new appliances. Let's look and see if we still have the labels. Yes, energy guide has never been touched. All right, deep sink, dishwasher, cabinets everywhere we see. There's cabinets. Just really, really fresh. Let's look out here. So this is, again, more closet space. And then going out here to the back, there's laundry downstairs, and you can put your laundry soap and all your laundry supplies right here. And then just make the short shot down to the machines. All right, big foyer area as we walked in. That's the front door. Let's walk around, and then let's get into the bathroom. Gorgeous. And what's really nice is this: the tub and the shower are separated. As you can see, the owner, just re-enameled this tub. It's like glossy white. It's just gorgeous. Big medicine cabinet, and again, all tile. Very, very lovely. We're talking about closet space. Let's look at what we have here. Another walk-in closet, and this is the walk-in closet for the bedroom. But we do have a linen closet right here for you to put your linens. Again, let's quickly go through. So we have the living room. We have views of the peekaboo views of the Golden Gate Bridge. Lots of light. We have the bedroom. And these are big rooms. 3-prong outlets. Big walk-in closet. Tall ceilings. Hardwood floors that were just refinished. Gorgeous white kitchen. Lots of cabinet space. All brand new appliances, including a dishwasher. I don't know if I mentioned, there is parking available. So let the agent know that you're interested. Here's the bathroom. And of course, this property is just a couple of blocks away from the waterfront. So lots of recreational opportunities, avenues to get out and about with your vehicle, and of course, public transportation when we get back out of COVID. All right, thank you for watching. Please see the links below for information about this listing to see more details. We look forward to seeing you here at one of our showrooms.